Welcome to today's video. If you're looking for that flawless, smooth finish on your woodworking, car polishing, or DIY projects, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 electric sanders that promise to deliver professional-grade results with every use. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these sanders will make your projects easier, faster, and more precise. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. Make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, let's get started. Fifth product on our list, HRENGJ Electric Sander. The HRENGJ 300 watts electric sander is a powerful and versatile tool built for both beginners and DIY pros. With a 5-inch, 125mm sanding pad and 6 adjustable speed settings, it delivers precision and control on any surface. Whether you're sanding wood, smoothing metal, or polishing cars, it's up for the task. Equipped with a high-performance brushless motor, this sander runs quieter, cooler, and longer. Its 3mm eccentricity ensures smooth, swirl-free finishes every time. At just 1.6 kilograms, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver, even in tight spaces. This combination disc and belt sander offers variable speed up to 12,000 RPM, adapting to any project. From coarse to fine grits like P60 to P1000, it handles them all with ease. Compact yet powerful, the HRENGJ sander makes home DIY effortless and efficient. Fourth product on our list, DEKO Drywall Portable Sander. The DEKO Drywall Sander is a powerful, all-in-one solution for smooth surface finishing. With a robust 900W motor, it delivers high-performance grinding and polishing for drywall and ceilings. Its variable no-load speed ranges from 1,400 to 2,700 RPM, giving users full control based on the task. This tool is designed to handle tough jobs efficiently while maintaining precision. An integrated LED light improves visibility in low-light areas, ensuring accurate results. It also comes with a dust collection bag, keeping workspaces clean and reducing airborne particles. Weighing just over 4 kilograms, the DEKO sander remains portable and easy to maneuver. It's ideal for contractors and home renovators alike. With reliable 230-240 volt power and user-friendly features, this sander offers both power and comfort. DEKO delivers quality you can trust, making every sanding job faster and cleaner. Third product on our list, MAXXT Woodworking Sander. The MAXXT 220-volt woodworking corner sanding machine is a versatile tool designed for home DIY enthusiasts. Powered by a 350 watts motor, it delivers efficient performance with a no-load speed of up to 10,000 RPM, perfect for sanding wood, drywall, or car polishing. With a 15 centimeters wheel diameter and adjustable speed range of 4,000 to 10,000 RPM, this sander allows users to customize their work for different materials. Its 25mm and 50mm eccentricity ensures smooth finishes with minimal vibration. Weighing just 2.35 kilograms, it's easy to handle for long periods without strain. The vacuum head helps collect dust, keeping the workspace clean. The sander comes with 8 sanding papers, an adapter, hose, and an Allen key, making it a complete, ready-to-use solution for a variety of projects. Second product on our list, Shouyiyoupin R7304 Electric Sander. The Shouyiyoupin R7304 500 watts electric eccentric sander is a powerful tool for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. With a 500 watts motor, it offers efficient sanding, polishing, and finishing for wood, metal, and even car surfaces. This sander features a 150mm sanding pad, ideal for large surfaces. With 6 adjustable speed settings, users can customize the speed from 6,000 RPM to match different materials and tasks. Whether you're working on fine wood sanding or heavy-duty polishing, this sander adapts to your needs. At just 2.3 kilograms, it's lightweight and comfortable to use for extended periods. The AC-powered design provides consistent power for longer sessions. Its robust performance and versatility make it an excellent choice for home DIY projects or professional use. First product on our list, Flex Electric Orbital Sander. The Flex 400 watts electric car random orbital sander is a versatile and powerful tool for both commercial and DIY applications. With its 400 watts motor, this sander offers strong performance for various sanding tasks, including woodworking and car polishing. Featuring a random orbital motion, it ensures a smooth, swirl-free finish on multiple surfaces. Its variable speed control allows you to adjust the speed according to the task at hand, from fine sanding to more aggressive polishing. At just 2 kilograms, the sander is lightweight and easy to handle, reducing fatigue during long working sessions. Whether you're working on wood or metal, the Flex 400 watts sander delivers precision and efficiency. With its reliable power and adjustable settings, this sander is perfect for those looking for versatility in their sanding projects.